The Audi Q5 and SQ5 have been redesigned for 2025, bringing a new level of sophistication and performance to the luxury SUV market. These new models are not just about aesthetics, they represent a significant leap forward regarding technology, comfort, and driving dynamics. Audi has meticulously crafted these vehicles to meet the diverse needs of modern drivers, ensuring that every journey is as enjoyable as it is efficient. These models boast impressive features, from a spacious interior and stylish exterior to advanced technology and safety systems. The interior of the Q5 and SQ5 is a testament to Audi's commitment to luxury and functionality. High-quality materials, ergonomic design, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems create a comfortable and cutting-edge environment. The exterior design is equally impressive, with sleek lines and a bold presence that make a statement on the road. These vehicles' advanced technology and safety systems are designed to keep you connected and protected. From intuitive infotainment interfaces that offer seamless connectivity to comprehensive safety features that provide peace of mind, the Q5 and SQ5 are equipped to handle the demands of modern driving. Whether it's the adaptive cruise control, lane assist, or the high-resolution touchscreens, every feature is designed with the driver in mind. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV or a sporty daily driver, the Q5 and SQ5 have something to offer everyone. Their versatility makes them ideal for a variety of lifestyles. Families will appreciate the spacious back seats and ample cargo space, while those seeking a more dynamic driving experience will enjoy the responsive handling and powerful engine options. The Q5 and SQ5 are designed to adapt to your needs, providing a perfect balance of practicality and performance. The Q5 and SQ5 are more than just good looks. They are packed with innovative features designed to make your driving experience more enjoyable and convenient. From the efficient powertrains that deliver impressive fuel economy to the cutting-edge driver assistance systems that enhance safety and ease of use, these vehicles are engineered to exceed expectations. The engines are powerful and efficient, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. The cutting-edge driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and parking assist, are designed to make every drive safer and more convenient. These features work seamlessly together to provide a driving experience that is both intuitive and reassuring. Whether navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, the Q5 and SQ5 are equipped to handle it all easily. Every detail has been carefully considered to provide a premium driving experience. From the luxurious interior finishes to the advanced technology and safety features, the Q5 and SQ5 are designed to offer ultimate comfort, convenience, and performance. Audi's commitment to excellence is evident in every aspect of these vehicles, making them a standout choice in the luxury SUV market. Step inside the Q5 or SQ5, and a spacious and well-appointed cabin will greet you. Attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the interior design, from the high-quality materials used to the intuitive layout of the controls. The cabin exudes a sense of luxury and sophistication, making every journey a pleasurable experience. The interior is designed with both comfort and practicality, offering ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Whether driving or riding as a passenger, you'll appreciate the generous space that allows you to stretch out and relax. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum support, ensuring that even long drives are comfortable. The adjustable rear seats can slide and recline, allowing you to customize the passenger and cargo space. This flexibility is perfect for accommodating passenger needs or maximizing cargo space. Whether carrying passengers or transporting large items, the Q5 adapts effortlessly to your requirements. The Q5 and SQ5 offer generous cargo space, making them ideal for families on the go or weekend adventures. The trunk is spacious enough to handle all your luggage, sports equipment, or shopping bags. Planning a family trip or a weekend getaway, the Q5 has you covered with its versatile cargo area that can easily accommodate everything you need. With the rear seats folded down, the Q5 boasts a maximum cargo capacity of 54 cubic feet, providing ample room for all your gear. This expansive space is perfect for those who need to transport more oversized items, whether for a move, a big shopping trip, or outdoor adventures. The Q5's cargo area is designed to be practical and user-friendly, making loading and unloading a breeze. The exterior design of the Q5 and SQ5 is both sporty and elegant, with sharp lines and a muscular stance. The signature single-frame grille dominates the front end, flanked by sleek LED headlights accentuating the SUV's aggressive yet refined character. The Q5's profile is characterized by a sweeping roofline that flows seamlessly into the rear spoiler, giving the SUV a dynamic and athletic appearance. The SQ5 takes the sporty styling up with larger wheels, a more aggressive front bumper, and quad exhaust pipes. The interior of the Q5 and SQ5 is a masterpiece of modern design and craftsmanship. High-quality materials abound, from the soft-touch dashboard and door panels to leather upholstery. The layout is clean and intuitive, with all controls within easy reach of the driver. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the Audi Virtual Cockpit, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that displays all essential driving information directly in the driver's line of sight. A 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits atop the center console, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Aerodynamic design for enhanced performance and efficiency. The Q5 and SQ5 benefit from a highly aerodynamic design that not only enhances their performance but also improves fuel efficiency. The sleek bodywork, sculpted underbody, and strategically placed air intakes work together to minimize drag and optimize airflow. The result is an SUV that slices through the air with minimal resistance, improving acceleration, handling, and fuel economy. Innovative lighting technology for safety and style. The Q5 and SQ5 feature advanced lighting technology that enhances both safety and style. The standard LED headlights provide excellent visibility in all conditions, while the available matrix LED headlights offer even greater illumination and can even adjust the beam pattern to avoid dazzling oncoming drivers. At the rear, the Q5 and SQ5 sport distinctive LED taillights that create a striking visual signature. The available OLED taillights take things a step further, offering customizable lighting animations and enhanced visibility for following vehicles. Powerful and efficient powertrains with MHEV+. The Q5 and SQ5 offer a choice of powerful and efficient powertrains, all equipped with Audi's mild hybrid MHEV+ technology. This advanced system is designed to enhance both performance and efficiency, making every drive more enjoyable and eco-friendly. This system uses a 48-volt electrical system and a small electric motor to assist the gasoline engine, improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. The MHEV+ system allows for smoother acceleration and deceleration, providing a seamless driving experience. It also lets the engine shut off during coasting, saving fuel. The Q5 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. This engine is powerful and highly efficient, making it perfect for city driving and long highway journeys. Combining the turbocharged engine with the MHEV+ system ensures you get the best of both worlds, power and efficiency. The SQ5, the other hand, boasts a more potent 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine that churns out 349 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This engine delivers exhilarating performance, making the SQ5 a true sports SUV. With the MHEV+ system, the SQ5 offers impressive power, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions, making it a responsible choice for performance enthusiasts. Agile handling and a comfortable ride. Don't let their SUV proportions fool you. The Q5 and SQ5 are surprisingly agile and engaging to drive. The standard Quattro all-wheel drive provides excellent traction and stability, while the well-tuned suspension delivers a comfortable ride without sacrificing handling prowess. The SQ5 takes things up a notch with a sport-tuned suspension and larger brakes, providing even sharper handling and greater stopping power. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding back roads, the Q5 and SQ5 are sure to impress. Advanced driver assistance systems for enhanced safety. The Q5 and SQ5 come standard with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems designed to enhance safety and provide peace of mind behind the wheel. These systems use a network of sensors and cameras to monitor the vehicle's surroundings and can intervene if necessary to help prevent or mitigate a collision. Standard driver assistance features include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Available features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. Seamless connectivity and infotainment options. The Q5 and SQ5 offer a range of connectivity and infotainment options to keep you connected and entertained on the go. The standard 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone with the vehicle. Other available features include a Bang & Olufsen sound system, wireless smartphone charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Conclusion: the Audi Q5, a premium SUV for the modern driver. The redesigned Audi Q5 and SQ5 offer a compelling blend of style, performance, technology, and safety, making them an excellent choice for discerning drivers who demand the best. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV or a sporty daily driver, the Q5 and SQ5 are sure to exceed your expectations. With their sleek design, luxurious interiors, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the Q5 and SQ5 are poised to continue Audi's legacy of building exceptional premium SUVs.